In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can change or add language on Windows 11. Changing the language on Windows 11 is crucial for enhancing user comfort and productivity, ensuring accessibility for non-native speakers and those with disabilities, and providing a better localized experience. To do this, simply head to your settings. Select on this option of time and language. Click on this second option of language and region. This right here is my device system language. So to change to any other language, simply tap on Add Language. Select any preferred language and tap on Next to install it. When installed, you will be able to just change to that other installed language. This flexibility in language settings makes the system more inclusive and adaptable to diverse user needs. That's how easy it is to change to other languages on Windows 11. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.